Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's Filmora video editing tutorial, we're literally going to open the doors to creativity. I'm going to show you how to create a cinematic open door masking effect using Filmora. This effect is fun, unique, and will instantly take your videos to the next level. So let's dive in and unlock this amazing trick. First, import a video with a door opening effect and drag it onto the timeline. If you don't have this type of footage, no worries. I've added a sample link in the description. Now move the playhead just before the door starts to open. From the stock media library, add a green screen image to the track above your video and align it with the playhead. Unlock the scale of the green screen. Here, add your first keyframe to transform and set the X scale value to 0. Then move the playhead forward as the door opens and gradually increase the X scale so it follows the motion of the door. Once you finish the animation, export your video. Then, re-import the exported clip back into Filmora and place it on the timeline. Here, slice the video into two parts. For the first part, increase the playback speed. I set mine to 8 times faster. This makes the door opening look smooth and snappy. Next, import any video of your choice to the track below. This will act as the background scene that appears once the door opens. Now go to the AI Tools panel, enable Chroma Key, and remove the green screen. You should now see your background video appear seamlessly through the door. To finish the effect, copy the second part of the green screen clip, paste it at the playhead, and reverse it. This makes the door look like it closes naturally. And that's it. Your open door masking effect is ready. With just a few simple steps, you've turned an ordinary clip into something cinematic and eye-catching. Remember, every edit is like a door to new possibilities. So keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep creating. If this tutorial was helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more Filmora tutorials. Thanks so much for watching.